Quiet na. Huh? What's happening to you? Huh? Oh, what's your head? What's your head? Yeah, what's your head? Muntik na kayo.
Patawa ka naman.
I found the snake!
Did you?
Are they tall?
Oh, yes.
It's a moving camera.
They do indeed.
Do they like chocolate?
Say hi.
Kukunin na, daddy. Kukunin na. Naka-ready na yun.
Hi, no, it's alright.
Dali, naka-ready.
Say hi. Hi.
It's a snake!
Hi.
No such thing as a snake.
But you said snake. Whoa!
Go on, get out of here. Come on, go. Careful, Russell.
Ikaw naman kung kailan naman nakakonsentrate siya doon sa pinapanood niya eh. Are you looking at me or are you looking at the TV? Ah, she's looking at the TV.
No. Kevin, it's okay. Mr. Fredrickson is nice.
Kevin.
Yeah, that's
Hi! One more time. One more. Ang gigigil. Ang gigigil.
Jaden.
Naka-on na ba yan?
Yeah. Jaden. Wah. No. Aray, kinukurot ako.
Off mo nga. Tignan ko kung na-record mo.
Incredible shift, Tom.
If you say so.
Any plans afterward?
No.
Yeah, me neither. We're just gonna be hanging at
Lily?
Cozy's phone, huh?
Ay, naku. Pinapanood mo.
Hey, Squidward, wait up.
Pinapanood mo, Jaden.
I realize that I didn't really extend a proper invitation back there. So what do you say, Squidward? How about you come over to my house for a visit tonight? Squidward?
Where are you going?
Jaden, no. Ganito.
Help!
Makukuha yung tali.
Ayun na, pinapaabot. Aray ko!
Lari ko! Asam!
Mo, saan na napunta? Where'd he go?
Lari ko! Nan. Oh! Asim!
Nawala na yung ball.
Mamb!
Because I've never told you. Now, why have you stolen my vacuum cleaner?
Why are you stealing?
Di ko ako naman.
Are you done cleaning up that dingy hole you call home?
You won't even recognize the place,
Oo
Squidward.
naman.
Yeah, probably not.
He's not even looking at the ball though. He's looking everywhere.
Gamitin. Sige, agaw na. Sige, ilalagay na. Hooray!
Pinagtulungan niyo akong dalawa, ha?
Gamitin. Oh, boom.
Pinagtulungan niyo akong dalawa, ha?
Ay, kunin mo yung ball.
Hinabot nga niya ng paa niya.
Tinutulak mo eh. Hindi mo yung hila. Tinutulak mo eh. Hindi. Hindi mo yung hila. Ayan, hilahin mo.
Okay, got it?
Baliktad ka naman.
Care for a cool and refreshing iced tea? Hotter dude?
Ba't pa ang pinagkukuha mo?
Pag hindi niya abot kasi, paano ginagamit?
Watch your head.
Why go grab your vacuum? Please make yourself at
Uy,
home.
uy, uy. Di, ano yan?
Time to play the game. Time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. All about control. And if you can take it, it's all about your debt. And if you can pay it, it's all about pay. And who's gonna make it? I am the game. You don't wanna play me. I am control. No way you can shake me. I am heavy debt. No way you can pay me. I am the pain, and I know you can't take me. Look over your shoulder, ready to run like a Cleveland bench from a smoking gun. I am the game, and I make the rules. So move on out, you can die like a fool. Trying to figure out what my move's gonna be. Come on over, sucker, why don't you ask me? Don't you forget there's a price you can pay. Cause I am the game and I want to play. Time to play the game. Time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. It's all about control. And if you can take it, it's all about your debt. And if you can pay it, it's all about the pain. Who's gonna make it? I am the game. You don't wanna play me. I am control. There's no way you can shake me. I am your debt, and you know you can't pay me. I am your pain, and I know you can't take me. Play the game, you're gonna be the same. You're gonna change your name, you're gonna die in flames.